How to use UpCounsel employment contracts properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most employers assume creating employment contracts on UpCounsel is quick and foolproof, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to disputes, non-compliance, or costly terminations. The first mistake is using a generic contract without customizing it. UpCounsel templates need to reflect your company policies, job role, and state labor laws. Beginners who skip customization risk unenforceable terms or unclear expectations. Another common error is neglecting to define compensation and benefits clearly. Ambiguous salary, bonus structures, or PTO policies can result in disputes or employee dissatisfaction. Always be specific and transparent. Many users also overlook termination and confidentiality clauses. Employment contracts must include conditions for ending employment, non-compete agreements, and protection of proprietary information. Beginners who omit these clauses expose their business to risk. Failing to ensure legal compliance is another pitfall. State and federal labor laws may require minimum wage, overtime, or anti-discrimination clauses. Beginners who ignore regulations risk fines or lawsuits. Finally, some users neglect proper signatures and execution. Digital or physical signatures must comply with legal standards. Missing this step can make the contract unenforceable. To use UpCounsel employment contracts properly, customize templates, define compensation clearly, include termination and confidentiality clauses, ensure compliance with labor laws, and execute contracts correctly. Avoid these mistakes, and your employment agreements will protect both your business and employees effectively.